Hi View Fam, today we're gonna do a toy review. I've got 3 toys, or maybe 4 because we might get twins in one. Twisty Pets, twin Twisty Pets. Well, I don't have twin Twisty Pets. Let's see what's in this toy. What even is this? I've never even heard of this. Oh, there's 2 LOLs in one, look! Told you there might be twins in one. There is twins in here. Oh, Mike said that I won't open them now. I need to open them now. My God, it's ringing. Oh, look at this one. I don't even wear these dice. Look at it. It's so cute, isn't she? So cute. I know why her mouth is like all black because she spit. She might spit. And this one might spit too. She has glittery hair, guys, but I don't think you can see. There we go. I think you can see now. They have bows, but I don't think they will come with them. Look! I think we need to buy them. It's tasty. Oh! This is Martha. It's tasty. Code. Oh, look at this little outfit. It says on for the rainbow hair girl. Oh, it says for the rainbow hair girl. So it's for the rainbow hair girl. She must be a gardener. This little girl must be a gardener. She must be a gardener. Because look at her outfit. It's so cute, guys. And it looks like a gardening outfit, look. I think it might be her gardening clothes when she needs to garden. Because I did come with another set of clothes that says the rainbow haired girl. Here. So, yeah. This might be a gardening clothes. That might be a day clothes when she has to sleep in a day clothes. Look at her! Look at her! She's so cute. Well, I'll hold her in hand so you can see her before I might show her another outfit later. In a minute. Open this one. Flap came up! Look, guys, the flap came up. Whoa! Whoa! This goes perfectly with the glittered white girl because it's glitter. Do you think you can see the glitter on this though? Okay, let's just put it on. There. Second one. The Pick Me Pot. Open it. Oh look. Wait, here, this is a Pick Me Pot and some stand. I think the Pick Me Pot should stay inside because I don't want to lose it. There you go. And the Twisty Pair. No, I want it. I want it. Wait. Here's the Twisty Pair. She turned into a bracelet. She turned into a bracelet, guys. In the next video, I'll show her how she's like the LOL dolls like with her other clothes on. Well, I'll show you now quickly. And in fact, I won't. Bye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Be fun. Bye, everyone.